Ever feel nervous about updating your blog? Like one click in your whole site could go down? That's exactly why I use staging site. Hi, my name is Palak, and in today's video, I'll walk you through how I safely updated content on my travel blog step by step without any downtime. But first, you need to know what is staging site. Staging site is basically a private clone of your live website. It looks same, it works same, but it is in the WordPress sandbox, separate from your live website where all your visitors are. Think of it as a secret practice ground where you can test change before going live. Here is the checklist that I have prepared for myself.
1. Backup before any major edits. 2. Go for gradual changes. 3. Avoid huge overhauls. 4th. Use a staging environment. 5th. Test before pushing changes to live.
Creating a staging copy can be done through your host, a staging plugin, or an external platform that provides one-click staging. Use whatever suits you the best.
First, log into your InstaWP account. Once you are in, use the magic login to access the WordPress admin panel for the site you want to work on. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the sidebar and find the plugin section. Then click on Add New and in the search bar type InstaWP Connect. Go ahead and install that plugin. Then click on Activate. When the plugin is activated, you will see two options. I'll click on Create Staging and then Connect with InstaWP. This will open a new page to ask for your permission. Just approve it and you will be redirected back to your dashboard. You will now see few different staging options to choose from. For this, I am going with full staging. I'll also give it a quick name. First staging site and then click on next step. I don't need to change any other setting, so I'll just click on next step again. After final confirmation, click on create staging. Now you just have to wait a moment while your staging site is being created. And there it is. Now you can check your staging site is a perfect copy of your live site. Now you are free to make and test any changes you want before you update your live site.
So this is how I have updated my travel blog using staging site. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop your comments if you have used staging before, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.